Hi guys, we're going to be doing DIY snowman ornaments. So I'm going to be putting down a cereal box. I opened up cereal box to protect my table. I purchased some plastic large and small ornaments from the Dollar Tree. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the top from the ornament. I'm going to start off with the stocking cap, and I'm using Cloudless by Apple Barrel, and it's a matte acrylic. So I painted a coat all the way around, a little ways down the ornament. I'm going to let this dry for about 15 minutes at least before painting another coat. Okay, so next I'll be using a detail brush, and I'm using Bright Red by Apple Barrel, and it's matte. So the white part of the snowman I'm going over with the flat brush. When I got up to the line, I started out here at the top by the red line, and I just got it up to the red line and went around it like this, really close to it. I'm just sticking my finger inside the ornament to hold on to it, and really load up your paintbrush. Don't go sparingly with the paint when you're doing this. I'm going to paint the first coat on the rest of these, and I'm going to let them dry for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to repair my line. I painted a second coat of the white, and I let that dry for 30 minutes, and now I'm going to start on the face. I painted the eyeballs on with the Sharpie Creative Marker. You could also use a regular Sharpie felt pen or black paint. And then I used white matte acrylic paint to do the little white line in the eyeball to make kind of a gleam in the eye. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish all the other little snowman's eyeballs. Next I'm using Pumpkin Orange matte acrylic by Apple Barrel to do the noses. And I'm going to paint all the noses, and then I'm going to go back and do the lines on the nose. And I'm not worrying about the nose looking exact on each one. I'm just going to style the nose. It might go in a different direction. It doesn't really matter. I took a fine point Sharpie, and I went around the carrot, and I made the little lines on it. Next I made a light pink by taking white matte by Apple Barrel and a bright red matte by Apple Barrel and mixing just a little bit of the red into it. And this is going to be for the cheeks. I'm putting just a little bit on the end of the Q-tip, and I'm just going to do a light circle right above about the last dot. And I just kind of keep smearing around so it's faded out. It's not one bright thing. And I'm going to do that to the rest of them. So there's my DIY snowman ornaments. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching.